What's up YouTube? For this video, I wanted to talk about these two pants I just picked up. These pants are from the brand I Love Ugly and the model is a slim Kobe pants. I managed to cop both of these on Black Friday for a decent discount. They're both the same pants but just in two different colors. I have the washed black here and the bone colorway here. So now that I have these in hand, I just wanted to do an honest review. We'll talk about the materials and details, talk about sizing, fit, and comfort. And at the end, I'll give my overall thoughts. So with that being said, let's get into it. So in terms of materials, these pants are made of 78% cotton and 22% linen. You have the I Love Ugly branding on the button, as well as the YKK zipper on the front. You have two standard pockets on the sides. Immediately, my impression is this pocket isn't very deep or very roomy. If anything, it barely has enough room to fit a cell phone and nothing else. You have these belt loops around the waist. Interestingly, they have these two loops on the right side right here, which is an interesting touch. As we move to the back of the pants, you have the I Love Ugly patch on the right side of the hip, and then you do have two rear pockets. And that's pretty much it in terms of the pants. There's really no branding, if at all, so these pants are very minimal. In hand, this is a very lightweight fabric. It feels very airy, and when you do have these pants in hand, you can really appreciate the linen texture. So I'll put up some B-roll of the washed black colorway. Again, it's the same pant, but in terms of this washed black color, it has a very subtle hue or unique tint of a grayish blue to it. Particularly when you have these pants in the light. So it really doesn't look that black, if at all, but I really do like this hue of color here. Alright, so next let's talk about sizing and fit. For reference, I am 5'8" and about 155 pounds, and I got these pants in a size small, and I would say that these pants just barely fit me. If anything, they are just a little tight and a little snug around the hips and waist. So I personally would have preferred a little more wiggle room around that area, but technically they do fit me. So keep in mind, these are the slim Kobe pants, not the regular ones. So if you have any doubt about sizing, or if you for sure either want more wiggle room, or if you're just in between sizes, I would definitely recommend sizing up, or you might want to consider the more regular fit pants. So again, with the size small that I have here, they definitely feel very snug. They technically fit, but I feel quite restricted when it comes to these bigger movements. From a standpoint of inseam length and the lower leg though, I feel like it was a great fit. I like how it's cropped and sits a little bit above the ankle, at least for me. Just to dive into the dimensions of these pants, pretty much went off the size guide that is provided on their website, so I'll leave a little snippet over in the B-roll somewhere, but I did use that as reference. What they did not include though is the width of the ankle opening. So again, this is a size small, but the small size measures at about a 7-inch or 18 centimeter wide ankle opening. Next, let's talk about comfort. In terms of comfort, in my opinion, these are okay. What I really do like about these pants from a comfort standpoint is that these pants are very lightweight, they're very airy, and they're very breathable. I can see these pants being great options for the spring and the summertime. However, one of the downsides from a comfort standpoint is that this fabric does not have much, if any, stretch at all. There's maybe barely a little bit of a give to it, but otherwise I would not consider these pants stretchy. So these pants are not flexible, nor are they performance pants. So just know that these pants are not designed for that purpose. And that also adds a little bit to that downside of the comfort and fit, is that because they are tight and also don't stretch very much, they're not very forgiving if you went too small. So I would consider these pants a little more on the dressy side, in a sense where because they don't stretch, they do have this more formal look to them. So they are a little more form-fitting. And then of course, given the cropped style on the lower leg, they sit above the ankle, so it definitely allows you to show off your sneakers. So in that sense, I think there is some versatility in these pants where you can dress them up or dress them down. Alright, so the main question is, are these pants worth the retail price of $99? Personally, my opinion is no. I think $99 is a bit too expensive for what you get with these pants. Luckily for me, I bought these pants on Black Friday for 50% off, so I pretty much paid around $50 for these pants, and I think that's a much more reasonable price point. Again, the pros and upsides of these pants is I think the material is a decent quality. I really do like the linen textures of these pants. I like the minimalist look of these pants, but from a comfort and fit standpoint, I did wish that you were either a little more stretchy or I wish I sized up. I think what you're really paying for with these pants is this unique contemporary cropped cut of these pants that are otherwise hard to come by with any other brands out there. And so if you're into sneakers like me, you can always appreciate a pair of pants that allows you to show off your sneakers a little more. And again, these pants are a little bit on the dressier side, so it does add a little more of that menswear aesthetic. But otherwise, if you have any other questions about these pants, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll help you the best I can. Also, let me know, what are your thoughts on the crop pants look? Is it a style that you think is here to stay, or do you think it's a trend that's gonna go? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so sound off in the comments below. And if you made it this far in the video, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button, it'll help me out a lot, and consider subscribing for more content on style, sneakers, and science. While you're at it, check out my other videos here or here. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.